The 4590 Combo T turns any size woodpecker's woodworking rule into a T-square. Or depress the locking button and rotate the head until it snaps in at a perfect 45-degree angle. Let's take a look at how this tool is made. On a CNC mill, the head of the 4590 Combo T is machined from billets of aluminum. In our turning department, the locking button is turned from steel on a Swiss lathe. After anodizing is complete, the head is sent to laser engraving, where it is engraved with logos. The shop is finishing production on the 4590 Combo T, and shipping will begin soon. If you want to learn more about this tool, check out the product video here. Stay tuned for more production updates.